A very good morning to all. Today we are going to start our first chapter, The Fun They Had from Beehive, written by Isaac Asimov. A short introduction I'll give you about Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov graduated from high school when he was 15 and then attended Seth Law Junior College in Columbia University, and he was a Mensa member. In the first decade and the last 2 decades of his life, Isaac Asimov focused on science fiction. He believed to have edited or written more than 500 books. So here a small introduction I have given about Isaac Asimov. Now let's move to the story. So the fun they had. This story is set in the future when children don't have traditional books and schools. It is set about 150 years ahead. One day, Margie, a little girl in the story, makes a diary entry. Today, Tommy found a real book. Here, Tommy, a boy of 13 years, finds an old book. He has heard from his grandfather that there used to be books and separate, spacious building for schools. When he finds a real book from the attic in his house, he is excited. Tommy and Margie start reading the book and find a lot of new information about the old system of education. Tommy and Margie do not have formal schools and human teachers. The next room to their bedroom is their schoolroom. They have mechanical teachers. The teacher has a big screen showing all the lessons and questions. There is a slot where each child has to put homework and assignments for evaluation. The mechanical teachers can be adjusted to fit the mind of the student. If there is any fault, it can be corrected. When Margie's performance is not up to the mark in geography, her teacher is readjusted. When Margie comes to know about the old school from the books, she started hating her school. She likes the old school more than her own schools. She thinks what fun the kids might be having studying, playing, and enjoying together. So, if according to the lines will move, this is a short summary of the fun they had. Now, let's move according to the lines of the chapter. Here, first, Margie writes her diary. Margie even wrote about the book in her diary. On the page ahead, 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him about a time. All stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages. These were wrinkled and yellow. The words stood still. They do not move on the screen as they do now. So, what is telebooks? Here we are talking about telebooks. Tommy called it a waste. When they read the books, they threw it away. Their television screen must have been very big to have many books. It was still good for many more books. It was same for Margie, though she had not seen many telebooks. Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13. She asked him where he had found that books. He replied that he found that in his house. She asked what it was all about. He replied that it was about school. Margie exclaimed, "School? What was there to write about school?" as she hated that. Margie hated school a lot. She always hated school, but now she hated it more. It was because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. She had been doing worse and worse. At last, her mother sent for the county inspector. Here, television teacher sat right. The inspector was a round little man. He had a red face and a box of tools, dials, and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the television teacher away. Margie hoped that he wouldn't know how to set it right. But after 1 hour, it was brought again before her with its big screen. Lessons were shown and questions asked on it. She hated its slot in which she had to put her homework. She had to write them in a punch code she had been learning since she was 6 years old. The inspector smiled and patted Margie's head. He told Margie's mother that it was not Margie's fault. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. He had slowed up to an average 10 years level. Margie's progress had been quite satisfactory. Then he went away. Margie's wish about her television teacher. Margie's hope that they would take her mechanical teacher away. They had done so to Tommy's for nearly a month. The history sector of Tommy had blanked out. Margie said to Tommy why anyone would write about school. Tommy tells her about old schools. Tommy told her that it was not their kind of school, that was a kind of old school which they had there hundred of years ago. Margie was hurt. She told that she did not know about these schools. She read the book over Tommy's shoulder. She then said that they had a teacher anyway. Tommy replied that it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. The teacher told the boys and girls things and gave homework. He also asked them questions. Margie told Tommy that man couldn't be smart enough, but Tommy said he was so. So, how Tommy used to explain the old schools. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said that she wouldn't want a strange man to live in her house and teach her. Tommy told Margie that the teachers did not live in the house as the mechanical teachers lived. They had a special building. All the kids went there and they learned the same thing. Also, they were of the same age group. But Margie said, as per her mother, a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it taught. So each kid had to be taught differently. Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called that it was time for her school. Margie asked Tommy if she could read the book some more with him after school. Tommy walked away. He had put the dusty old book under his arm. Margie put her work in the slot with a sigh, and she was thinking about the old school. They had them with her grandfather's grandfather was a kid. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. They sat together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another in their homework. And the teachers were human beings. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen the fractions of a question. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved the school in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So according to the chapter, here in the chapter it is said about 2157 means 100 and 100 years ahead.